This video will show you how to do a voiceover in Microsoft PowerPoint. There are many ways to do this, but this is just one easy, straightforward way to get your voice recorded while you're doing a PowerPoint presentation. So open in front of me is a Microsoft PowerPoint presentation. Go to the slideshow tab and click on record slideshow. Start recording from beginning. And you can click on start recording. Now be sure to talk, but to stop talking before you switch over to the next slide. While I'm talking, my voice is being recorded, and once I'm ready to switch to the next slide, it's important that I stop talking, switch to the next slide, and then you can continue talking again. If you talk while you're switching to the next slide, those words won't be recorded, so there will be some words missing, and it is quite a habit that we have to continue talking while we're switching over to the next slide. And you can continue recording, stop talking just before you're going to switch to the next slide, and continue talking, continue recording. Now say you want to re-record whatever you said while presenting this specific slide. Then you can click on escape or press escape on your keyboard, and you'll see that the voice recording, the audio file, is situated here. Now while on this slide, you can re-record this slide by going to start recording from current slide. Don't click on start recording from beginning, because then you have to re-record all the slides that you have already recorded on. Start recording from current slide. And here you can redo your recording, and the audio file is automatically written over. And you can continue through all your slides. Once you're done, you can click on escape, and you'll see that the audio files are all here at the bottom. When you're ready to save, there's various file formats that you can save it in. So choose the one that will work best for you. The PowerPoint show is quite a recommended one that works quite well, because it's very useful and user-friendly for the person watching it. But if you want to upload something on YouTube, a video file may work better. I hope this helped. Enjoy making your PowerPoint presentations accessible to the world out there. If you found this video helpful, smash the like button. For more useful tips to boost your research experience, subscribe to my channel by clicking the subscribe button below this video. If you need a solution to a challenge not yet covered on my channel, leave a comment in the box below. See you in the next video.